Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Gortat Bicycle. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Gortat 48V 1000W Electric Folding Fat Bicycle. Specifications. Brand name, Gortat. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 26 inch. Wattage, 500 watts. Foldable, yes. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, 1000 watts. Item number 4 is Gortat 21-inch mountain bike. Specifications. Brand name, Gortat. Gears, 10. Wheel size, 29-inch. Front fork type, spring fork. Applicable people, male. Rim material, aluminum. Fork material, aluminum. Frame material, aluminum. Type, mountain bike. Braking system, double oil brake. Pedal type, aluminum pedals. Load capacity, 120 kilograms. As the item number 3 we've selected, Gortat electric bicycle. Specifications. Brand name, Gortat. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 26 inch. Wattage, 351 to 500 watts. Foldable, yes. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Speed, 21 speed. Battery, built-in battery. Item number 2 is Gortat 29-inch mountain bike. Specifications. Brand name, Gortat. Frame type, hard frame. Braking system, front and rear mechanical disc brake. Wheel size, 29-inch. Front fork type, spring fork. Applicable people, unisex. Rim material, aluminum. Fork material, aluminum alloy. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Type, mountain bike. Frame size, 17 inches. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, electric bicycle 20 inches. Specifications. Brand name, Gortat. Model number, Q80. Style, luxury type. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 20 inch. Wattage, 500 watts. Foldable, yes. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, 1000 watts.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.